Any door going into the system is interlocked. So from the robot side, if you enter or need to go into the system, the robot will essentially be paused. You can potentially, if you had to do something for some reason without stopping the robot, you could go in safely. The rack door, when you are trying to load specimens, if you leave with that door open, the rack will not turn. So you can enter safely, load specimens into the rack. Even if the system were to run out of specimens while you were in there, it will wait until you're finished loading specimens, and then you can exit the system, close the door, and it will resume operation. On top of the interlocks for the doors, each system is typically supplied with at least 3 e-stops that will shut down all of the components. It's fully integrated into every component in the system. So in the event that something is going wrong or you needed to stop something, for whatever reason, you can hit the e-stops that are mounted externally on the system. There's typically one inside with the rack, so if an operator was currently loading specimens and there was some issue, they could hit that e-stop and it would stop every component in the system, as they're all tied into one big safety circuit, essentially. The enclosure is typically bolted to the floor in the labs that these have been installed in. The system is designed so that there's an external kind of skeleton for the system, and then on each wall, each section, there's an internal panel. And that internal panel is designed with fastening hardware, which allows you to remove just the panel for temporary maintenance or service functions without having to dismantle the enclosure at large, just for convenience and accessibility.